G'day guys, thanks for checking out our Mazda CX-5 that has just arrived here. This one here is in stunning white. You got the projector headlights, really well looked after. You got the chrome trimming throughout, and as you can see through the bonnet, is in great condition throughout. You got the premium steel wheels. As you can see down through there, plenty of tread to the tyres, colour-coded mirrors with blind spot monitoring as well. Coming through inside, you've got the premium finish with piano black finishes throughout, and that very elegant style dash. Side curtain airbags are standard. This one does have floor mats as well. Coming through in the back, you get that full 90-degree access in through the back. You've got plenty of room to the back with this nice soft premium trim. You got the leather wrap steering wheel as well. Coming around the back, you got rear parking sensors, projector. You got LED rear tail lights, rear parking sensors, and you got the cargo blind as well. Down to the side, same thing all around. This car has been very well maintained. Coming through inside the vehicle, you got that leather wrap steering wheel. You do have your cruise control, all your audio controls through here, wipers, which are in a minute, and your lights, of course. Traveled 97,000 kilometers, ex-fleet vehicle through Toyota Fleet Maintenance. You got your reverse camera and so much more. We have finance and we welcome trade-ins. We look forward to speaking soon.